They're giving us this cold when we leave, right? Let's open it and check. What's wrong? Oh, praise God. Man, it's so. Soothing, isn't it? It's local stuff on top, factory made. Below. We'll put another valve in it. Find one and send it over. He's giving the parts, taking the money. He doesn't even want to sell the phone. This is all old stuff, not genuine. It's not a good deal. 559H. And this other one fits in it. Just make sure their shafts align, or it'll rattle and vibrate. It's loose. Let's put the valve in and see if it works. Straighten it from the bottom, see? Adjust it there, straighten it. Just loosen the stroke. That's enough. Someone's messed with its stroke. Put it there, it should be up to here. It's up to here, it should be up to here. Now we'll check its seat, the diesel's off. Okay, check it and give it back, then we'll put it on. It's taking it. From here, it should take it to here. If it takes it to here, it'll be fine. That's how much the seat opens, then it'll start. Okay, the springs. Like this, right? Yeah, the spring, the part that goes up is too big. When you tighten it, the seat won't open enough. We're working on it. If the seat opens too much, see how much. It opens. Question mark, just. Look at how many threads there are. It's pulled out too far. We'll put this in now. It'll get the right response with this. Now it'll be perfect. That was the problem. Its seat was open too much, and it wasn't responding. Now look, see how far it goes. At first, it seemed like it was with the gene. Doesn't seem like it now. It started. The car has started. In number 3, it'll come from there. Okay. It'll come in like this, and this rod gets stuck in there. Cars are lined up. It'll come like this with the balance camper. It sits. Here like this. It sits and, hey, Nishad, look, you haven't washed it. Remind him. Remind him. I didn't hit it, he hit it. Let's race like.